In today's video, I am going to show you the radicals of array input method in 5, 6, 5, 8, and 5, 9. And they all belong to letter B on your keyboard, which is 5 lower key. And according to the 10 fundamental keys of array input method, 5 is right turn, and 6 is dot, and 8 right falling, 9 is left falling. Let's begin with 5, 6. Okay, so let's take a look right here. This is the 5, 6 radical I'm going to introduce in the very first beginning right here. This one, and this one. Okay, so let's take a look. The first stroke is 5, so this is right turn, and the last stroke goes to this one dot. So this right here, 5, 6, is the radical. Okay, so for the first character, it begins with this radical. This is 9, exception, so 9 middle. And continue left lower, we have this 5, 6, so we hit 5 lower. And at the end, this is a 7 lid, so we hit 7 middle and space. Alright, next one, the first stroke is dot 6, so we hit 6 middle. And continue, this is 5, 6, so 5 lower. And then this radical on the right hand side, this one begins with 7 lid and end with 1 horizontal. So this is 7, 1. And 7, 1 belongs to 7 upper and space. Okay, so let's take a look at the left hand side. This is a radical in Chinese, but in array input method, we separate to 8, 1, 8, 1, and 5, 6. So 8, 1 is at 8 upper, and 5, 6, 5 lower. Continue, we have a 7 lid right here. This is a lid, 7 lid, 7 middle. At the end, person 8, 8 middle, and space. Next one, left hand side the same, so 8 upper and 5 lower. And continue, let's take a look. We have 2 dots 8 and 1 horizontal. This is 8, 1. 8, 1 is at 8 upper. And here double cross, 4 middle, fundamental key, and space. There you go. Continue, we have the square here, 0 and 1 in the middle. So this upper one is 0, 1. 0 upper. And you might be curious about this stroke in the middle, because this stroke is basically from here. So this radical lower part is 4 cross and 1, 4, 1. 4, 1 is at 4 upper. And continue is the 5, 6 radical. 5, 6. See? 5, right turn, 6 dot. Like this one also here. This one also. Okay, so 5 lower. And we've done 3, so we go to the last one. This stroke is 3 vertical, 3 middle, space. Alright, next one, upper part rain begins with 1 and end with 2 dots, 8, 1, 8. 1, 8 is at 1 lower. And we have this person 8, 1, 8, 1 at 8 upper. And the last one, the lower, the bottom here, 5, 6, 5 lower, and space. Next one, very top, right here, this is 5, 6, 5 right turn, 6 dot, 5, 6, 5 lower. Continue, we have a 7 lid, okay, 7 middle, and double cross in the middle, 4 middle. And last, this is a 5, 9. Okay, 9 is left falling. I'll be introduce this radical later. 5, 9. So 5 lower. Continue, we have 5, 8. And 5, 8 is 5 right turn and 8 right falling. So right here, let's take a look. The lower part 5 and 8 right falling. Here, the same right here and here. Okay, so the first one begins with 6, 9, dot 6 and 9 left falling. 6, 9 is at 6 lower. Continue, this is double cross and 1, so 4, 1 at 4 upper. And the lower part 5, 8, 5 lower. Space. Next one, 8 person 1, 8, 1 is at 8 upper. And we have this cross and 8, 4, 8, 4, 8 is at 4 lower. And continue the right upper part. This is 3 vertical and 1 horizontal, 3, 1. And 3, 1 is at 3 upper. And the last one, right lower part, this radical is 5, 8. 5, 8 is at 5 lower. The second one. Alright, next one. Left hand side we have square and 1 horizontal, so this is 0, 1, 0 upper. And continue the right upper part, we have 9 and dot dot and then 9 again, so this radical is 9, 9. 9, 9 is at 9 lower. And continue, this is 1 horizontal, so we hit 1 middle. Alright, we've done 3, we go to the last one, which is 5, 8, 5, 8, 5 lower. Space. Next one, the moon is a 7 lid and end with 1 horizontal, so 7, 1, 7 upper. And continue, this is a 7 lid, so 7 middle. And last one, 5, 8, 5 lower. Okay, the next 5, 8 radical is right here. You can see 5 and end with this 8 right falling. And right here you can see the same 5, 5, 8. So the 5A here and the 5A here. Okay, radical 5A. And 5A continue. Let's take a look. When you are writing this character, you begin with 9 here, left falling. So 9 middle. And continue, this is a 3, 1, 3 vertical and end with 1. 3, 1 is at 3 upper. And the last one, 5, 8, 5 lower. Okay, next begin with this 9, so left falling 9 middle. And the rest, 5, 5, 8 is a 5, 8, 5 lower. Space, first one. Alright, the next 5A radical is this character without this dot, so you can see if you don't look at this dot right here, it begins with 5 and end with 2 dots on the right hand side. 5A, just like this one, the same. Okay, so begin with dot 6, 6 middle, fundamental key, and the rest is 5A, so 5 lower. Space. Next, left hand side wood 4, 8, 4 lower, 4 cross 8. And continue, we have 8, 1, 8, 2 dots, and 1, 8, 1 is at A upper. And the next radical is 4, 1, 4 cross, 1 horizontal, 4 upper. And we've done 3, so we go to the last one, 5, 8, 5 lower. Space. Alright, the next 5, 8 radical is right here, upper. You can see it begin with 5. And we have dot 6, and the last stroke is right here, 8 is right falling. So the upper part is 5, 8, 5, 8, 5 lower. Continue the radical in the middle. This is 1, 0, 1 horizontal, 0 square, and 1, 0 is at 1 upper. And the last one, 8 1, 8 2 dots and 1 horizontal. 8 1 is at 8 upper space. Next one, the top the same, 5 8, so we hit 5 lower and continue. We have 5 1, 5 right turn, 1 horizontal. 5 1 is at 5 upper, and the next stroke is 5. Okay, this is 5, so we hit 5 middle. We've done 3 already, so we go to the last one right lower. This is 5 8, 5 lower and space. And the next 5 8, also the last 5 8 radical, is right here. You can see this is a 5 right turn and 2 dots 8 5 8. Okay, so for this one we hit 5 middle because this radical is exception 5, so we hit 5 middle and continue 5 8. This and this one is the same, so we hit twice and space. Okay, next one, 4 cross 4 middle and continue. This is a 5 8, so 5 lower. And these two are also 5 8, so 5 lower again and again and space. Second one. Alright, the next one is 5 9. So right here you can see this is a 5 right turn, and here's a 9 left falling. Okay, so if you would like to type this character, you begin with this square 0 and cross in the middle. So this is 0 4 0 upper, and this is 5 9 5 lower space. Okay, the next 5 9 radical is right here. Begins with 5 right turn and continue horizontal and end with this 9 left falling. So 5 9 5 lower and continue. This is cross 4 and 1 4 1 4 1 is at 4 upper, and here's a square U. This belongs to 3, so we hit 3 middle and space. Next one, just like this one, 5 9, so we hit 5 lower. Continue. This is a double cross and 1, so this is 4 1 4 1 is at 4 upper, and the last radical begins with 2 left turn and end with 2 dots 8 2 8, and 2 8 is at 2 lower space. Alright, the last 5 9 radical right here. The only difference is we have this 3 vertical in the middle, but it doesn't matter because we call it from the first stroke 5 and end 9 left falling. So this doesn't matter, but it's different from this one, so I explain right here. 5 9 5 lower, the same. Oops. Okay, and this I right here is exception. We put it in 7 middle to distinguish 0 1, because if you follow the rule it ends with 1, so this is exception 7 middle space, the second one. Alright, that's all for the radicals of array input method in 5 6 5 8 and 5 9. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.